Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Make sure your SIM is active and you have network signal, because voicemail is carrier-based. Once you have that, open the phone app and press and hold the one key or select voicemail from menu to begin. You'll be prompted for the carrier voicemail number and a default PIN. Keep these handy. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate registration. This step links your handset to the carrier mailbox, which is why it's required. Now you'll set the mailbox details. If the phone prompts, type the carrier voicemail number exactly, then confirm registration. Next, choose a secure 4, 5, or 6-digit PIN when asked. This protects access to messages. When the system invites you to record a greeting, speak slowly and state your name. This personalizes the mailbox and helps callers know they reached the right person. Make sure you save each option and listen for the confirmation tone or message that indicates the mailbox. Finish by testing the system. Call your number from a second phone and leave a test message, then check that your Nokia displays the voicemail icon and that you can dial in to retrieve the message. This proves both delivery and access. If playback fails or registration didn't complete, retry entering the carrier voicemail number and PIN and reboot the flip phone. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Often they must enable or reset the mailbox on their side, which fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.